What if I told you that the MR2 might just have to wait a little bit because the Celica, it's on its way? What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and to subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. If you're watching the videos and you're liking the content, make sure you hit the subscribe. We have a high percentage of videos of people who watch the videos but don't subscribe. Subscribe to help the channel and support your boy. We're on the road to 20,000. So what is going on, guys? We did a video that the MR2 was coming back. There was a lot of hints, there was a lot of things coming out of the best card out of Japan, and we did a video on that. I'll leave a card up here up top, you guys can go check it out. But there was this kind of argument whether the MR2 was coming back or whether the Celica is coming back. Well, Toyota has officially confirmed that the Celica is officially returning. Now, let's get into the article. And it says that Toyota's vice president confirmed that a new Celica is in development in the presence of Akayo Toyota. So, after years of persisting rumors whether the MR2 was coming back or the Celica was coming back, Toyota has finally confirmed that the Celica nameplate is making a comeback. And the announcement came from none other than Toyota's executive vice president Yuki Nakajima. I don't even want to murder his name. During a public event at the Toyota Stadium in conjunction with the Rally of Japan. There was obviously another big question that was dropped in there, and we're going to get into that. So the confirmation was something of like an improv revealed or something like that when Toyota chairman Akairo was asked directly about the possibilities of a new Celica coming back into the game. And he playfully dodged the question. He kind of redirected it to somebody else, but he came back and said, so to be honest, there's no sign of it right now. However, there are many people within the company who are waiting for the nameplate to come back, and they're eagerly waiting. I'm not sure when it's going to be, but if it's okay to say in public, we are doing the Celica. So it's kind of dodged it and came back, kind of dodged it and came back. Now, the real question is, and I want you guys to tell me in the comments, is it going to be an EV? Is it going to be an electrified kind of version? We do know that Toyota is making this 1.5 and 2.0 liter engines that are going to be pretty powerful. It's going to be the turbocharged 4-cylinder 2.0 engine. And that could be a strong contender for the Celica. I definitely see it. It delivers an impressive 400 horsepower. I was going to say 400 something, 400 horsepower for a 2.0 liter, and that's actually pretty good. But that could be a good contender for the Celica. A good contender could also be that 1.5, where you can have a model, I don't know, the Celica GS, and they could have the 1.5, and then you can have the Celica GR, and they could have the 2.0 liter. The good thing is that Celica has been around in Toyota since 1970 to 2006. It's been spanning for about 7 decades now, about 7 generations now, and there's a big enthusiast who love this vehicle. This vehicle's been around. It's gone to rallies. It's gone pretty much everywhere. It's been turbo a lot of times. The last models were, they were kind of a bummer, but they were still here. But there's a big enthusiast and there's a big group of people who just love the Celica. And it would be nice to see another sports car with the nameplate from back in the days to come back. That is something that I love. I love tapping back into what made everyone happy, what made everyone fell in love with the brand, and then bring that back. And that's actually going to be pretty cool. It would also be nice if it was a all-wheel drive 2.0 liter 400 horsepower turbocharged engine. Man, the tuning world will be excited about that. So Akairo Toyota reportedly added on a note, is everything okay? There's a lot of difficulties. Best Car wrote that Toyota's making the Celica, but we shouldn't believe it. Not missing a beat. Nakari reclaimed the mic with a playful follow-up. He said, we don't know when it will be released, but it can't be for next year. Most likely, we're probably going to see a concept next year of what the car can look like and what the powertrain can or will come with it. But as of now, he says that there's no sign of it yet. These people play with it. These people taunt it. They go back and forth, and that's just the way it is. So, all right, guys, if you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and to subscribe for your boy. Remember, in the analytics, we have a lot of viewers who are watching the videos, but they're not subscribing. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. Let's help out the channel grow. Let's try to get to 20,000. We started this new series in automotive news and talking about the current events that's happening in the automotive world, which is something that I wanted to do. I wanted to get behind a mic for a while, but I wanted to split it into a different series I just decided to dive in head forth. What we are going to split in the future is for any further project cards. They're definitely going to be split into different series, but this automotive news will continue. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. I am out of here.